I'm just fixing my hairs. I didn't have foundation. I ran out, so I used concealer. Fuck. Anyways, I used concealer. I don't know what type of makeup to do today. Like, I'm not really sure. I gotta drink water. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? This is the lip and cheek, like, cream thingy from Milk. Look at all of that product. It's a lot. I put this little bad boy like this, and then I'll do my nudes. I like to blend it into my skins. Okay. Let me like zoom in so you can be closer to me. Look at that, it's like fucking cracked. Like, I'm gonna buy a new one this week, okay? I promise. I promise. I will. Because I've had this bitch since like January, I think. Oh, it's so gross. But like, on a positive note, I'm very clean, so like, I don't get pink eye or styes. So that's a good thing, guys. You know what I feel like eating right now? Some avocado. I want some avocado. Can I have an avocado, please? That's what I feel like eating, avocado. I am craving it. I want it. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna curl my eyelashes once more. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna get this Makeup Forever eyeliner, black. I'm gonna do my waterline. I'm gonna put these little baby eyelashes on, these big ones. I keep thinking I have my fake nails on and I don't, so like I'm trying to be careful, but like, I don't have them on. These are like pretty. These are from the Dollar Tree. They're the best. These are really fucking long. And I want my other ones, the ones that are like perfectly length. I'm gonna be honest, these singles are way easier to apply than like full like lashes. I don't know like who's gonna watch this, but if you're watching this full thing like through, I love you, thank you. Okay, I look like a different person. It's a little weird for me. Either that or I'm just going blind and I need to buy contacts. Like, I'm super close because the glasses, like, they kind of just like bother me. And like my vision is like crazy weird. Like sometimes like I can see and sometimes I can't. You know, the diabetic life, you know, I'm just playing. It's not really that. My eyesight's always been kind of shitty since I was a child. I used to eat carrots thinking that that would help. Fuck me. No! You don't belong there. No, get off. Get off. I don't want the whole world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. Stand. I don't know how I'm feeling. I really don't. Like, should I keep them on? Shouldn't? Like, maybe I shouldn't. Like, I don't know if they're making me feel like a mess or if they're making me feel like a hot mess. There's a big difference, and I don't need to explain why. If you know, you know, you know? Did you know who I am? Who I am? No, we're not doing that. No, sir. So I'm gonna like turn off this little camera so I can do the other lashes in peace and I don't have to worry about wasting space. I feel like these are too high up. It's always like, that's always the case though, you know? Like, it's never like perfect, but that's okay. That's fine. Because you could just like angle yourself a certain way and it can look a certain way. That's the illusion. Okay. Enough with the faces, enough with the jokes. I feel like I'm missing, like, there you go. Oops. No! That's okay. That's kind of cool though. I should put fake tattoos on me right now. I'm gonna let it like dry and then I'll take it off. I feel like I need to hide my face. I feel like this just makes me look so much fucking better. Like, I don't know why. So I just want to say thank you for watching. I haven't filmed something in so long and I've missed it so much. I hope that I can continue to do this, but I don't know. I guess it just depends on how I feel when I'm editing this, and like if I like it and I feel like I'm in the mood to do another one, then I will. I just thought I'd do one because it's already gonna be August and I had really wanted to do this all summer. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna hit the hay. It's 1:54 in the morning and I just did my makeup for like no reason. It looks really good though. Like, there's some days I go out and my makeup looks like bad. But right now it looks good. I could go out right now and be fine. My hair looks good. And then I'm wearing like a nice blouse too. Like, what am I dressed for? Like nothing. Like I'm doing nothing. But you know. Anyways, I just wanted to do something fun. Like, I'm gonna go because I'm tired. It's been a day, you know, like, so I gotta go.